سلامی خواتان لەوێ فێرخوازان and welcome to effortless English from zero بەخێربێن بۆ فێربوونی زمانی ئینگلیزی بە شێوەیەکی ئاسان لە سفرەوە. چیرۆکی ئەم جارەمان is about the fat penguin دەربارەی پەنگوینە قەڵەوەکەیە. هەروەکو چیرۆکەی پێشتر دەیخوێنەوە پاشان پرسیار وەڵام لەسەر چیرۆکە دەکەین. Let's read the story. با ئێستا چیرۆکە بخوێنینەوە. There is a penguin. There is a penguin. Penguinێک هەیە. He has a dream. خەونێکیە. He has a dream. خەونێکی هەیە. He wants to fly. He wants to fly. دەیەوێ بفڕێت. But بەڵام he is very fat. بەڵام ئەو زۆر قەڵەوە. So بۆیە he only eats rice. بۆیە he only تەنها eats rice. تەنها برنج دەخوا. Finally لە کۆتاییدا he becomes very healthy. He becomes ئەو تەندروست دەبێ. He becomes very healthy. He becomes very healthy ئەو تەندروست دەبێ. And he is very happy. وهروها he is very happy. وهروها زۆریش دڵخۆشە. ئێستا بە دەستکەین بە پرسیار وەڵام دەربارەی ئەم چیرۆکە. Listen and answer. جواب بگرە و وەڵام بدەرەوە. Is there a penguin? Is there a penguin? ئایا پەنگوینێک لێیە؟ یاخود هەیە؟ Yes, there is a penguin. Yes, there is a penguin. What is there? What is there? چی لێیە؟ There is a penguin. There is a penguin. پەنگوینێکی لێیە. Does he have a dream? Does he have a dream? خەونی هەبوو؟ خەونێکی هەیە؟ Yes, he has a dream. بەڵێ خەونی هەیە. بەڵێ خەونێکی هەیە. Who has a dream? Who has a dream? چێ خەونی هەیە؟ The penguin has a dream. The penguin has a dream. The penguin has a dream. پەنگوینەکە خەونێکی هەیە. What does he have? What does he have? چی هەیە؟ پەنگوینەکە he has a dream. خەونێکی هەیە. He has a dream. Does he want to fly? Does he want to fly? ئەو دەیەوێ بفڕێت. Yes, he wants to fly. Yes, he wants to fly. بەڵێ دەویست بفڕێت. Who wants to fly? Who wants to fly? چێ دەویست بفڕێ؟ The penguin wants to fly. The penguin wants to fly. What does he want? What does he want? چی دەویست؟ پەنگوینەکە. He wants to fly. دەیویست بفڕێ. He wants to fly. Is he very fat? Is he very fat? ئایا ئەو زۆر قەڵەوە؟ Yes, he is very fat. بەڵێ ئەو زۆر قەڵەوە. Yes, he is very fat. Who is very fat? Who is very fat? Of course, the penguin is very fat. The penguin is very fat. Does he only eat rice? أو تنها برنجي دخوا. Yes, he only eats rice. Yes, he only eats rice. بله أو تنها برنجي دخوا. Who only eats rice? Who only eats rice? چه تنها برنجي دخوا. The penguin only eats rice. The penguin only eats rice. What does he only eat? What does he only eat? أو تنها تشتشي دخوات. He only eats rice. He only eats rice. Does he become very healthy? أو برو تندرسي دتو يعني تندرس دبو. Yes, he becomes very healthy. Yes, he becomes very healthy. Who became very healthy? Who became very healthy? چه تندرست دبو. The penguin becomes very healthy. The penguin became very healthy. What does he become? أو چی دەبوو؟ دەبووە چی؟ He becomes very healthy. أو تەندروست دەبوو. He becomes very healthy. Is he happy? ئایا ئەو دڵخۆشە؟ Yes, he is happy. Yes, he is happy. بەڵێ ئەو دڵخۆشە. Who is happy? Who is happy? The penguin is happy. The penguin is happy. بێگومان پەنگوینەکە دڵخۆشە. ئێستا دێن چیرۆکە بە شێوەی ڕابردوو دەجێڕینەوە. 2 years ago. 2 ساڵ لەمەوبەر. There was a penguin. پەنگوینێک هەبوو. There was a penguin. He had a dream. خەونێکی هەبوو. He wanted to fly. دەیویست بفرێت, but he was very fat. بەڵام زۆر قەڵەو بوو. So he only ate rice. So he only ate rice. بۆ تەنها بردی دەخوارد. Finally لە کۆتاییدا he became very healthy. زۆر تەندروست بوو. And he was very happy. و زۆریش دڵخۆش بوو. وشەکاری. ئێستا دێین وشەگرنگەکانی ناو ئەم چیرۆکە باس دەکەین. Penguin باڵندەی penguin. Penguin. Dream واتە خەون. Dream خەون. Want دەیەوێ. Want دەیەوێت. Fly فرین. Fly فرین. Fly فرین. Fat قەڵەو. Fat قەڵەو. Fat قەڵەو. Rice برنج. Rice برنج. Become دەبێت. دەبێتە. Healthy تەندروست. Healthy تەندروست. Do you want to fly? Do you want to fly? تۆ بفڕی. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening.